Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular mirrorless cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha a6400. If you're considering getting a new camera, then this video is for you. We'll be evaluating these cameras in different categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, comment below to let us know your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Now let's get started. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 features a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, allowing you to capture sharp images with ease. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha a6400 boasts next-gen speed with its 0.02-second AF, providing real-time AF and object tracking. Both cameras offer impressive autofocus capabilities, ensuring you never miss an important moment. In terms of image quality, both cameras deliver excellent results. The Canon EOS M200 sports a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, producing high-resolution images with vibrant colors. Similarly, the Sony Alpha a6400 features a 24.2 MP sensor, capturing crisp and natural colors. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, both cameras will meet your expectations in terms of image quality. For videographers, both cameras offer fantastic features. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie recording, allowing you to capture stunning footage. Additionally, it offers the convenience of vertical video shooting. Similarly, the Sony Alpha a6400 provides multiple movie functions, such as time-lapse movies and slow, quick-motion videos directly from the camera. Whether you're into vlogging or professional filmmaking, these cameras have got you covered. When it comes to additional features, both cameras offer some unique advantages. The Canon EOS M200 includes a combination tripod grip and remote control, providing greater flexibility in your shooting setup. It also supports turning your camera into a high-quality webcam using the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha a6400 comes with a tiltable LCD screen that is customizable for vlogging, still photography, or recording a professional film. Depending on your specific needs, these additional features could be a deciding factor. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha a6400, highlighting their strengths in various categories. Both cameras are excellent choices, but the best one for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.